You are on Fkb9 Vlogs. Europe's longest road and railway bridge. Danish and Swedish governments signed an agreement in 1991 to build a permanent link across the Øresund. A problem arose. At the Danish end, any bridge high enough to allow large ships through would pose a threat to planes landing at nearby Kastrup Airport. However, building it too low would block a busy maritime route. So it was decided that this end of the link would, instead, consist of a concrete tunnel, with an artificial island connecting it to the bridge. Characteristics: design: cable-stayed bridge, total length 7,845 meters, 25,738 feet, width 23.5 meters, 77.1 feet, height 204 meters, 669 feet, longest span 490 meters, 1,608 feet, clearance below 57 meters, 187 feet. History. Designer: Jørgen Nielsen, Claus Falby Hansen, Niels Jimsing, and George Rodney. Engineering designed by Øresund and Partners, C-Tech ISC Jimsing and Madsen. Constructed by bridging the 16 kilometers gap between the two countries. The bridge cum tunnel across the sea situated between Denmark and Sweden. It has two part. First one is bridge above the sea, and second is underwater tunnel. A man-made island constructed as the junction of the bridge and tunnel. The man-made island links the bridge and tunnel. There are 5 sub-tunnels. 2 for railway trains, 2 for automobile traffic, and 1 used during emergency. The motorway runs on the upper level, and railway runs below. Use the Øresund Bridge, you must pay a toll tax. Prime Minister Lars Løkke Rasmussen predicting the measures could cause serious disruption to traffic flows from Denmark. So Foes says the Czechs add at least an extra 30 minutes to his rail commute, with officials boarding trains to check travelers' documents shortly after they enter Sweden. I've seen people being arrested, he adds. Before these checks, travel across the Øresund was seamless. Creating a permanent crossing of the Øresund was a dream for many years before the final project got going. In 1888 there was a proposal to install a railway tunnel across a narrower section between Elsinore in Denmark and Helsingborg in Sweden, but this didn't happen. Neither did plans for a bridge revealed shortly after World War II. Even when building got underway in 1995, British bombs used in World War II were found on the seabed and had to be removed.